Hello friends, welcome again. In this video I'm going to add policy to our project. So because right now any user, if it is authenticated, can visit any post. So for that I have created the policy. So if you go to Laravel documentation, you can run this command php artisan make policy and the name of your policy. In this case, because I have posts and users, I created this. And here it is. In the update method, I added return the user ID is exactly the post user ID. And also in the, I think we have relationship in the model user. Yeah, we have posts here and return this has many posts. Okay, now in the post controller, when we show the edit blade, I want to check if this post belongs to this user. So right now, if I change the ID of the user in this post, so come here and change the ID of Chu, and in the database I have only one user with ID 1. If I refresh, yeah, we can get that. So the user ID is Chu, it's not to this user, which is named test, but we can access that. If now I add the policy here and say $this, and I'm going to say authorize, and we need to add the method, which is update. Okay, this method here. And I'm going to remove all the others because right now we need only that. So just to look more good to you. So here we have the authorization for only update. In return, if the user ID is going to be the same as the post user ID. And also here we need to add the post, so $sign post, and that's it. Now if I come here and refresh, it's going to say 403. Anyway, now I'm going to test with our test. So in here I'm going to say it abort if the user does not own the post. And here create a function. Oh, sorry. Create a closure here. And what we need here. Now here we need to create a post with one user and update and check with another user. So the first user we have here, I'm going to create another user. So $sign user 1, I'm going to say, and it's going to be user factory create. Okay, now with that, I'm going to create a post $sign this user, and we have the relationship. So I'm going to say post create, and title is going to be title. Also we need to add the body, and we have default for the, or also add the status, and it's going to be pending. So now also I'm going to instantiate this. So $sign post Now we have the user one and the post, and this post is created by the user who is in here, not by this one. So let's test if this user can visit the edit with this ID of posts. So let's say $sign this. And we need to acting as this user now, $sign user one, and get the /post/ and add the post ID. Sorry, post ID, and here we need to add edit, and I'm in here. I'm going to say if we assert status, and I think it's 403. So we expecting to get the 403 if we are everything correct. So acting as this user, but this post is created by the user we have here. So this is not belong to this user. This post ID is not belong to this one. So let's get started and make a test. Test here, and everything passed. If I say here this user and make a Pest, we failed because we expected 403 but received 200. So this post belongs to this user and return the edit page. Okay, hope you understand. I'm going to go back to what was before and test, and it's going to pass. And that's it for this video. Hope you enjoy and see you in the next one. All the best, friends.